What's the deal, YouTube? It's your girl RG3. Today, I'm coming to you with a quick video, 10-minute joint, unedited, on how to lay your waves. Alright, so you're going to need a plastic bag, stocking cap, Silky Durag, and a spray bottle. Alright, before you ask, you can find the spray bottle in my Amazon shop, link below. Alright, so you're also going to need a series of soft brushes. Okay, I'm using 3 because I got 3. But if you only got 1 soft brush, that's cool. So today I'm using a Royalty Black Panther, the Torino 9, I think it's a 901. Torino 910, okay? And Throwback Retro Royalty, all right? All soft brushes, all different kind of soft brushes. So any soft brush you gotta work. So basically what you're gonna do is, if your hair is real thick, real unruly, I'm going to need you to grab a comb and comb your waves out first. And then start from this point. So basically, you're going to get your brush section on. I'm going to brush with y'all. So this video going to be at least 10 minutes. So I can show y'all. My hair is already laid, so it's kind of not fair. But this is exactly what I do to keep my hair laid. Alright. So you basically do your regular brush session. Okay, with soft brushes, I need you to apply the proper pressure. Okay, let soft brushes, let the bristles do the work with the soft brush. Okay, you don't need to add a lot of pressure. You just let the brush glide through your hair. All right, coarse wavers or kinky coily wavers, soft brushes is highly beneficial to your texture. Coarse medium, so soft brushes are my favorite, and they definitely work wonders for your connection detail, your shine, all right, and your lay. You want to keep your hair laid. Soft brushes, when you out blind brushing, that's the best way to go, all right. Soft brushes should be used after your sessions is done. So if you're doing a 30-40 minute hour session, the last brush you should be using is a soft. But you basically go all the way around. Make sure you're getting a good brush session in. Softies, I like to have softy sessions for at least 15 to 20 minutes at a time, okay? Some days I only soft brush. If your hair is dry, the perfect time to use oils are with soft brushes, all right? So soft brush. Soft brushes come in different degrees of firmness. This is a firm soft, so it's kind of like a hybrid. And then you got the feathery softies that's really, really, really light, that glide across the hair. And then you got shorter bristle softies where you get more control over your strokes. So basically, I'm using a firmest softie first. So you just let the brush glide. Smooth out your waves. If you added a butter or a pomade, let the soft brush distribute the oils or your product. So after you get done brushing in your oil or your butter, whichever one you applied, you move on to your next brush. I'm going to be using the next soft brush. Do the same thing. You want to keep laying the hair down, keep polishing the hair. Take your time, get a good pace, but don't rush brush. See, a lot of cats, y'all rush brush. Y'all be like, you need precision. Precision so your connections will be on point. Precision, all right? Know your angles. If you don't know your angles, study somebody with your pattern. Learn your angles. Okay. So, just keep brushing. Soft brush is going to train the waves to lay down, train the waves to grow. No matter how thick they are, it's going to train the waves to grow in the proper direction. And it just gives your connections a good detail, all right? If you find yourself asking questions or need a question answered, drop in the comments below. I will answer the question. But soft brushes is my favorite brush. Gives you a nice silky look. Once you master soft brushes and you master how to lay your waves down, that silky look will come as long as your hair is healthy, all right? Healthy hair is softer. Healthy hair is easier to brush, okay? So a lot of people have some problems with laying their waves because either the hair not healthy or it's undertrained. And by undertrained, I mean you're not putting in enough brush work, okay? A lot of times, if you're woofing heavy, I would suggest using hard, medium, soft, okay? And then get to this point where we at right now and do the soft brush, plastic bag, and spray bottle method, all right? In the mornings, I like to brush with a softie because usually my hair is nice and laid from the night before. So you make sure you're satisfied, make sure everything is laid, and then you move on to the next brush. All right. Last brush. You just make sure you hit your edges. Make sure your edges is laid down. Make sure everything laid down. Okay, we're going to prepare to use the spray bottle and a plastic bag. Make sure you get around your ears. Okay. Check the crown. Make sure your crown is good. Crown is good. Nice and laid. Okay. Okay. All right. So this is the part where you get to the lay cheat code. All right. The lay cheat code. You're going to grab your plastic bag. And sometimes, if your hair is thick, you have the plastic bag longer. But I would suggest 5 minutes. I'm not going to torture y'all with 5 minutes. But we're going to go around a few times. You plastic bag the same way that you brush. Same angles you brush. Alright. It's just laying down the frizz that's left over. Helping it lay down. I do this when I'm woofing. I don't really plastic bag too much when I'm not woofing. Okay, so after you get a good plastic bag session in, get ready because you're going to need the durag and the stocking cap. All right, spray bottle, 360 mister spray bottle. Find them in my Amazon shop. Prime available. All right, so you will take this You're going to spray light mist all the way around, okay? Just make sure you getting it misted. You don't want to soak it. No soaking wet, all right? Then you grab your durag. Make sure it's a silky. No polys, all right? Silk durag. Double compression if you're wolfing. I am, so we double compressing. And then I'm going to take you outside and show you what the unrag looks like once it dries, all right? So to recap the video, how to lay your waves down. Easy method, all right? You're going to brush, grab a few soft brushes, get your brush on. If you need to use an oil, that will help seal and lay your waves better. If you want to check that method out, I did a Franklin Western method. Shout out Franklin Western. It's a similar method with the spray bottle. But soft brush, at least 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. Okay, plastic bag to keep your hair laid. Spray with a spray bottle full of plain water. You can also mix the water with oils, okay? It's up to you. Spray mist your hair with oils or water, okay? I used water, all right? Double compress if you're wolfing. Don't take the rag off until your hair is dry, which won't take none but like 10 minutes because you didn't saturate the hair. Yes, I'm going to show you the results. 1, 2, 3.